What's up guys? How are you? We are listing top 5 best solar security cameras for 2022 in this video. No products price, any question, more products information from link in the description. We are update best prices for best products. So like, comment this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Now let's get starting. Number 5 Netvue, Solar Security Camera. Wireless outdoor camera with 2.4G Wi-Fi 360 degrees view. The solar panel will charge security camera with direct sunlight. No circuit wiring hassles, you can place it anywhere. The solar security camera is also equipped with battery inside, which provide extra 4 to 6 months backup battery life. 365 days non-stop power to keep an eye on what matters. Keeping 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi on, you will never miss a thing under the 360 degrees field of view of the camera. The outdoor security cameras uses the most advanced 1/3 CMOS color sensor and advanced 1080p optical lens. Provides detailed and clear graphics and video even in low light conditions, while the upgraded high-power white light and built-in infrared LED array can help you capture colorful pictures and videos at night with a night vision range of up to 32 feet, and can capture more things in the dark, can see any corner you want to monitor, let you sleep peacefully. The strobe light, integrated spotlight or built-in siren will be activated once the outdoor security camera detects the intruders. Even in dark areas you can see clearly. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 4 Ring StickUp Cam Solar HD Security Camera with two-way talk, works with Alexa. See, hear and speak to people from your phone, tablet or select Echo device with StickUp Cam Solar. A solar-powered camera that brings peace of mind rain or shine. Includes privacy features, such as customizable privacy zones and audio privacy, to focus only on what's relevant to you. With live view, you can check in on your home anytime through the Ring app. With the Ring Protect plan, subscription sold separately, record all your videos, review what you missed for up to 180 days, and share videos and photos. Place on a flat surface or mount to a wall with the versatile mounting bracket. Add on the mount for StickUp Cam, sold separately, for ceiling mount. Watch over your entire home by connecting one or multiple StickUp Cams to all your Ring devices in the Ring app. Easily set up StickUp Cam Solar by plugging in the solar panel and connecting to Wi-Fi. For added peace of mind, pair with Alexa to help you keep an eye on your home. Add security to your home with the versatile StickUp Cam Solar, an HD security camera powered by the sun. With motion-activated notifications and two-way talk, StickUp Cam Solar comes with all the features to give you non-stop power and protection in any weather. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 3 Realink Argus PT, Outdoor Wireless Security Camera. 100% wire-free and solar-powered, Argus PT runs on 2/4 of a GHz Wi-Fi and stays fully charged with Realink solar panel which realize 100% wire-free security. With high-capacity battery, long-lasting power per charge and no worry about weather. Tilt and pan and stunning night vision, Argus PT can turn its head 355 degrees horizontally and 140 degrees vertically, which shows you everything in 4MP HD. You can see clearer night vision up to 33 feet even at poor light. Real smart home security camera, adopt more sensitive digital promotion sensor, support smart human vehicle detection and instant alerts, event recording to micro SD card and Realink Cloud. Quick and easy setup, easily mounted and installed both indoors and outdoors. With weatherproof certification, it never quits no matter in heavy rain or extreme sun. Scan the QR code with free Realink app to get started. Argus PT captures 4MP HD videos, with a visual distance of up to 33 feet and a 105 degrees wide field of view, day and night. The high-capacity rechargeable battery and Wi-Fi connection make it completely wireless and ideal for outdoor use. With a solar power supply and a waterproof body, the battery camera is ideal for outdoor use, rain or shine, hot or cold. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 2 Soliom S600, Outdoor Home Security Camera. Wireless Wi-Fi pan tilt 360 degrees view spotlight solar battery powered system. The security camera S600 can turn its head 320 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically pan and tilt, clear two-way audio, and 3x digital zoom, no optical zoom, which provide you a much broader and flexible view versus other cameras for home security. The wireless security camera S600 is 1080p Full HD daytime video and motion-activated spotlight color night vision, with the 4 pieces wide LEDs capturing clear colorful videos at night, can even see through the dark up to 32 feet in very low light conditions. Easy to install and 100% wireless camera. Extensible rechargeable battery solar-powered security cameras with larger solar panel and metal cover give you a reliable and powerful wireless security camera system in your yard. Remote access to live view via Soliom Plus free app. The pan-tilt zoom outdoor security camera with 120 degrees detecting angle. Share the Wi-Fi camera with your family members for a happy moment or take care of kids, elders, or pets anywhere. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. At last, number 1 UFi Security, 4G LTE cellular outdoor security camera with solar panel. Avoid cords and wires and install 4G LTE Starlight camera anywhere, without Wi-Fi, for easy monitoring. With an IP67 rating, it stays protected from weather and extreme temperatures. Enjoy a worry-free 12-month warranty backed by professional customer service. UFi Security 4G LTE cellular security camera outdoor with 2K HD, Starlight night vision. It's the only option that I know of that has 4G connection with battery power, so it's 100% wireless and Wi-Fi free. Give yourself powerful 2K color precision 24 hours a day with the Starlight sensor. And with a 120 degrees field of view, you'll see more of your surroundings to better protect your property. Avoid constant battery replacements with up to 3 months of long-lasting battery power. And if you install UFi Cam solar panel charger, included, you'll never need to change a battery again thanks to forever power. Filter up to 95% of false alarms with built-in AI and only get important alerts. If something's wrong, you can communicate with two-way audio or track 4G Starlight camera with built-in GPS. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com.